Portsmouth Police rolling out a new crime-fighting initiative that involves more surveillance in neighborhoods. They're going to be handing out doorbell cameras to neighbors and pay for a one-year membership.
News 3 reporter Antoinette Delbell caught up with folks where a suspect is still wanted for a murder from earlier this week.
This is where the latest homicide happened, here on Jenkins Street in the Craddock neighborhood. Now, many folks here did not want to go on camera, but tell me they're all for the doorbell cameras. Not only do they think it'll help fight crime, but also solve murders like the one that happened in this home early Monday morning.
We see the videos shared more and more to break a case. Doorbell cameras catching suspects red-handed. This one helping Portsmouth Police eventually track down a suspect who led them on a high-speed chase. Now, police say neighbors in high-crime areas who don't already have one will be getting a doorbell camera called Blink, similar to this one, to help curb crime.
We got killing, somebody dying out here every single day.
29-year-old Paul Nicholson has lived in Portsmouth all his life. He says he's lost loved ones to gun violence and says the cameras could be an extra set of eyes.
With those eyes watching, that can deter violence or things that don't supposed to be going on.
Interim Police Chief Stephen Jenkins making the announcement earlier this week. He says neighbors will get a free one-year membership. The hope is to have them register the cameras so investigators can fill in missing puzzle pieces on a case.
To hopefully capture those critical incidents that we're looking for that allow us to solve crimes.
DeCarlos Anderson works with the city on its crime-fighting efforts through its grassroots group, Big Homies. He believes this new tool will stem the tide of violent crime, but says it can't fall on police alone.
I know they're working hard to it. I know, of course, everybody knows everybody's understaffed. So everybody's kind of have to work together. As far as nonprofits, the police, the community, we have to work together to solve as much crime we can.
And in turn, making communities safer.
Have it safe for the younger generations to come.
Now, people should be able to get their cameras starting next month. We're still waiting to find out exactly when that'll happen and how you can get one. In Portsmouth, Antoinette Delbell, News 3.